Hey guys, I'm John Erickson. I'm with Daniel Hoff, and I live in Los Angeles, California. Yeah, so this one's fun to talk about because I feel like I've always been active ever since I can remember, really. Growing up, I played a lot of team sports, was super competitive. I graduated high school with something like, my mom would always brag about it, but it was like 9 varsity letters. I did soccer, hockey, and baseball. But nowadays, I'm a little bit more chilled out. So I play softball. I do men's league hockey. I'll go to the gym and do spinning and kettlebells, and I even do the aqua aerobics class in the pool. I wake up early in the morning on the weekends and go surfing with some friends. I'll go mountain biking. I even did sandboarding one weekend. A friend of mine was like, "Well, we can't go snowboarding, so let's just use our snowboards over in Malibu on the dunes." And we did, and it worked out great. I do a lot of yoga and restorative type stuff too, just on the flip side, which helps me sleep and helps me get through the day.